Okay, Scott Young from Perception Research in the US. You come all the way to Sweden for Top Packaging Summit. Can you tell me a little bit about the company first?
Well, our focus is on helping our clients win at retail. So that translates largely into packaging research, helping them develop and ultimately assess and introduce new packaging systems. And also it links to shopper research and understanding how people make decisions at the shelf, how point of sale materials work with packaging and so forth. So our real focus is on speaking with, and importantly, it's in observing people and helping understand how to make better systems and improve packaging.
But you're a US-based company. Are you working on a global level also?
Yes, actually over half of the work that we do is outside the US. Primarily we're a global partner to many of the large packaged goods companies. So what they're expecting from us is a consistent thought process and consistent approach to speaking with people about packaging, whether the study is happening in 5 countries at once or whether it's happening a single country study in Germany or Brazil or the US.
And you're just given a presentation here at the Top Packaging Summit. You were talking a little bit about packaging excellence. Is there, and I understand you said in your presentation that there is no simple answer to packaging excellence, but can you try to explain it a little bit for me?
Sure. Well, we don't believe there's one answer that it can be reduced to a formula, but we do think there's a consistent set of principles that companies should be thinking about as they develop packaging. And as I mentioned in my presentation, a lot of it is starting with the shelf-based experience and making sure that packages are breaking through and being seen and considered, making sure that they're shoppable, making sure that they are communicating on a very intuitive and immediate level, embodying what they stand for, whether it's beauty or health or fun. And also, as I emphasized in the presentation, communicating the right design, graphics and structure with the right messaging to convert that engagement to purchase. And then also, we're huge believers in the power of structural innovation in packaging to deliver value to people, to link to usage occasions, to be more visible in the home, and ultimately to drive consumption. So we work many times with companies to come up with solutions and then also to make sure that those solutions are being conveyed in a way that people understand when they're making purchase decisions.
Mm-hmm. Very interesting. I know this is very early at Top Packaging Summit. We have started, but what is your impression? I mean, if you compare with the US events, for example, you're participating in many of those. What do you think about Top Packaging Summit so far?
Oh, I think it's wonderful in terms of seeing all of the people and the energy here. I think in many ways, or certainly in some ways, Europe is ahead of the US, sustainability, for example. But I think many of the people are facing very similar challenges. They're in a difficult environment. Their clients are demanding faster, cheaper solutions. But ultimately, we're in the business of helping our clients succeed and helping them win. So I see a lot of parallels. I see perhaps some areas where Europe may be ahead of the US, other areas perhaps that are more US focused, but the role of online shopping, of course, is another area that's of great interest and is certainly very global in scope.
Okay, Scott, thank you very much for coming to Top Packaging Summit.
Thank you. I'm very happy to be here and to share time with you. Thank you.